Hi friends, welcome to my channel Sara's Crochet. For this pattern, I am using crochet hook of size 3 mm. Start your work with a slip knot. Next, you have to work 2 chain, 1 and 2. Now, from the hook, you have to work in the second chain. Here, you have to work 8 single crochet in the second chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Now we have completed working 8 single crochet. Here above the first single crochet you have to make a slip stitch to complete this round. For the next round you have to start with 3 chain. Now you have to work 4 double crochet in the same chain space. Here we have completed working 4 double crochet. Now we have 5 double crochet including the beginning 3 chain. Now you have to count 1, 2, 3. In top of the third chain you have to make a slip stitch. Pull the yarn through the third chain. Now we have completed the first popcorn stitch. Now you have to work one chain. Next you have to move to the next chain and you have to work 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. After you have completed 5 double crochet, you have to take the crochet hook outside the loop. Now you have to insert the crochet hook above the first double crochet and you have to pull the loop through the first double crochet. Here we have completed the second popcorn stitch. In between each popcorn stitch you have to make one chain. Repeat the same for all the chains. Here we have completed working 8 stitches. Finally we will be working one chain and you have to join above the first popcorn stitch by slip stitch. Now we have completed the second round. Now you have to make a slip stitch in the space between the next 2 popcorn stitches. Now you have to work 3 chain and again work 4 double crochet in the same space. Now we have 5 double crochet including the first 3 chains. In top of the third chain you have to join them by slip stitch. After you have completed the popcorn stitch, you have to work 1 chain and you have to work another popcorn stitch in the same chain space. So here we will be working 5 double crochet. Here we have completed working 5 double crochet. Now you have to join the first one and the last one by slip stitch. Work 1 chain. Now we have to work 2 popcorn stitch in the next chain space. After each popcorn stitch, you have to work 1 chain. Now you have to work another popcorn stitch in the same chain space. In this round, we have worked 2 popcorn stitch for each 1 chain space. Repeat the same for each space. So at the end of the round, we will have 16 popcorn stitch with 1 chain space in between each stitches. Complete this round by slip stitch. And for the 4th round, you have to make a slip stitch into the next chain space and you have to start the 4th round from here. You can follow the same color or you can change the next color. For the 4th round, you have to start with 3 chain and you have to work 4 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. on top of the third chain you have to make a slip stitch. For the first space you have to work one popcorn stitch, and for the next chain space you have to work two popcorn stitch. Remember to work one chain after each popcorn stitch. You have to work another one in the same space. In the first space we have worked one stitch, in the second you have to work two, in the third space you have to work one, then two, then one, again two. So the same pattern will be repeated for this entire round. After you have completed working in all the chain space, you have to make a chain, and above the first stitch you have to work one slip stitch. Now you have to work one chain, leave a long loop, cut the yarn and tight the knot. Rest of the yarn will be sewed behind the work. Stretch the work by holding the chain in between each stitch to get a perfect shape. Now we have completed this pattern. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in comment section. For more crochet tutorials, you can check out my channel playlist. Please do like this video and turn on the bell button near the subscription button to receive all my upcoming videos notifications.